Hello, it's Dr. Rhonda Johnson. Today is Wednesday, February 9th, 2022, and today I'm going to be talking about this controversial K-12 school mask mandates. You know, we're seeing more action by governors to eliminate mask mandates given that Omicron infection rates are receding in many states. So first I want to just acknowledge the divide. Mask wearing mandates are not popular with some parents and some schools employees. Other parents and school employees support mask wearing in schools. And some of this tension is based upon some experts who say the science is weak and the evidence is inadequate to justify ongoing school mask mandates. Some parents are concerned that mask wearing harms students socially and restricts their learning for children who may have special needs. Others are concerned that children who catch the virus could pass it on to more vulnerable infants and family members at home. And some epidemiologists are concerned about dropping mask mandates during the winter months when most school activities are indoors. So I can only imagine to parents and school children and school administrators and staff how confusing and difficult this is. And the bottom line just may be that many parents will have to decide on their own whether to continue wearing masks in the classroom for their children. So I offer these 7 practical tips. First, remember the goal is to keep kids in school. We all know that in-school learning is much better than virtual learning for our kids. Number 2 is to know your medical risk and discuss with your healthcare provider. So for example, if your child or school staff person has medical conditions or obesity that may be at a risk for COVID complications, they may need to continue mask wearing. Talk to your doctor. Number 3, try to keep an open mind because things can change based upon local community transmission rates. Number 4, keep talking to your school children and find out how they feel about wearing masks. Many children don't mind wearing masks in school. Number 5, try to remember that effective treatment for COVID remains very limited, and in household situations where there are sick people at home, students may need to continue to wear their mask at school. Number 6, remember that COVID vaccination lowers the risk of hospitalization and death. Vaccination is available to persons 5 and older, and folks, I think it's part of the way out of worrying about COVID. And lastly, number 7, if your school offers optional in-school COVID testing, opting in is just one more tool that parents have to keep their children safe and their families safe. That's my message. As always, my views are my own. Take care, folks.